Go, go.
Yes!
No!
No! No! You cheater.
Scar. Simba.
I owed. Oh, I'm gonna go down like this. Owie, owie, if this hurts, ow. Ow! Ow!
Great. Good job.
Did you get a picture of me up there, Jessica?
I'm video recording.
She's videotaping us.
Yeah.
No, you know what? I'm gonna make it up. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Press the button.
No!
Yes!
I'm not done yet! You guys haven't won!
What do you mean? I went up there, but then Cindy had to push me down.
Yeah, because she's
Like
she's
Scar.
yeah,
Let's go.
Simba.
Okay. Okay.
Simba always loses.
You know what? Why don't you get up here and do it, Jessica?
Hold the camera then.
I'll hold it. Ow, ow. Yeah. Ow,
Let's see
my
who
butt.
can get up here faster.
Simba or Mufasa?
Mufasa. Look at the camera, Mufasa. Simba.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Steady. Go.
I am victorious. Yes.
Noob! Noob!
Go again, Mufasa. Go again. Ready?
You just gotta hurt my
Always
knees.
lose.
Ready?
When you
Steady.
play against Scar, you lose.
Lick your hands first and then try and go.
Yeah, lick your hands.
Lick my hand.
Lick them.
You'll be able to stick
Like.
to the side better.
Lick them. Just like tongue action. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Now try.
No!
You can do it.
You guys are liars!
Okay, here.
It helped for me.
I'll go up.
Okay, hold on. Okay, me and Scar now.
Scar. Simba. Mufasa.
Okay. A little too much lickage. Yes.
Why does Simba keep winning? Why does Simba always win? Like, Mufasa
let's go.
always dies.
Let's go.
And then Scar is like the bad guy, so it's like automatic death.
Okay, let's go. Let's see how much lickage I got here. Hold on. I'm good. Oh no, that's what we used to do. Okay, I'm good. Okay.
No. I couldn't do it.
Oh, Scar won this time. You lose.
Yeah. You ninny.
You know what?
I call you a ninny.
You called me a nitty.
Yeah, I called you a ninny.
Let's go, Simba.
Even though you're my father, I'm still calling you a
Let's
ninny.
go, Simba.
You know, you're my mother.
Well, Mufasa is my father, so. Well, that was really bad.
Get out of here, Simba. Nobody wants you up here.
Oh, I was like, where did she go?
I disappeared.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to die in the thing. I'm supposed to.
I'm supposed to die, so it's okay. For
I'm
me.
not. You're supposed to die.
I don't think so.
You're supposed to be eaten by
I
hyenas.
think, no, wait, time out. I think we should redo the Disney movies. Scar kicks Simba's ass.
Simba.
Simba, you're going down. Let's go.
But do I still die?
You want to go again?
Maybe.
Let's go, Mufasa.
Okay.
You know what?
Whoa.
Mufasa and Simba. Let's do
Okay.
this. No, Mufasa and Simba, not Mufasa and
Fine.
Scar. Mufasa? Oh, that was beautiful, Simba.
I know.
What? I'll do it. I'm gonna make it.
Yes. Oh, you know what?
Come on, Mufasa. Oh my God, total movie.
You should also Scar up on my ass.
It's called mutiny. I don't want you to be head of the pride anymore.
Okay, ready,
You're my
go.
son.
Well,
You could just wait for me to die.
gonna die in like 5 seconds, but it's mutiny.
What's that, Simba? You want to die?
You know what? No, no, that's cheating. You know what? No.
Do what you please. I am older and wiser.
And old.
Go. Go.
Crippled,
Go.
wrinkly.
Go.
You know what? No. 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 No.
Oh, betrayal! Oh, the betrayal! Oh, what are you doing?
Okay, I'm gonna press this button.
Okay.